and welcome crafty friends. This is Rachel, Crafting Mama Bear. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute keepsake shadow box using some items from Dollar Tree. First, I'm going to take one of these little banks, and with some regular fingernail polish remover I will remove the lettering off of the front of the glass. If you have acetone, that will probably take it off a little easier. You won't have to put as much elbow grease into getting it off, but regular nail polish remover does take it off. So once I have it all taken off, I will be adding my little handprint that I made for my daughter, and I attached some fishing wire onto it because I wanted it to hang. I also cut down a piece of glitter cardstock from my stash to the size of the back of the panel, and I will be putting that down with some double-sided tape. If you don't have double-sided tape, you can use your hot glue gun, or even liquid glue would work fine. What I like about this project is that because I'm using some double-sided tape, I can easily take this glitter cardstock off and replace it with something else. So to attach my little ornament hand thing, I'm just going to take some Scotch tape and attach it to the top. I thought this is how I wanted to display this piece, but I did end up changing it later on. But I wanted to show you that it's really cute to hang it. I did end up spray painting the little plaster that her handprint is on because I couldn't really see her hand just on the white. I got this handprint ornament kit from TJ Maxx for about $5. It came with everything I needed, plus the little heart-shaped cookie cutter to cut out the shape. I will leave a link in the description bar below to some recipes for something similar, so you don't have to go and purchase it. And then I'm just going to pop the back onto it, and there it is. I did make sure that the slit for the bank was on the bottom, and then I did take some black construction paper and lay it down so while it was standing up you didn't see it. And if you're going to hang something like this, it did take me several tries mounting it for it to lay in the shadow box correctly, where it wasn't lopsided and one side wasn't like too far to the front and too far to the back. But just play around with it, it's pretty easy. I think any grandparent would love this for a Christmas gift, or even any parent. Make it for yourself and keep it as a keepsake. You can turn it into an ornament certainly, but I wanted to be able to display it and be able to enjoy it year round. So here it is. I have it on my craft table next to one of my maternity pictures, and I think it's adorable. Here it is. I took it off of the string. I used some of the foam mounting tape that Dollar Tree sells, adhered it to the back and added a couple pine cones in it, and then once the winter season is over, I can easily open it up and add my choice of florals or whatever else I decide to add in there. So it's a really quick and easy holiday gift that you could make for yourself or someone else. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and until next time, bye-bye.